So my name's Roisin Murray and I am a master's student at Bangor University. I'm a trainee social worker at the moment. So the main aims of my research here at Fairways is to investigate the impact that the pets as therapy dogs have on the residents here, and basically to see what that positive impact is, and to research sort of how their relatives feel about it and how the whole visits are working. Should they be having more visits each week? What's the best amount of visits that they should be getting? And also, because the focus of my dissertation is for social work, it'll be to inform things like, could we have these kind of groups in the community? Should pets as therapy be accessible for people that aren't in residential care? Maybe more earlier stage dementia, can that be available in the community through groups and things like that? What works best for the residents in terms of the visits, the time of the visits, the length of the visits, what would be ideal for the residents really, because from that positive impact it's whatever we can do to make their lives more comfortable. As far as I know, this type of research hasn't been done in Bangor at all, so it'll be completely new for Bangor, for Fairways. The pets as therapy hasn't been researched here, maybe not even in Wales yet, so it's quite a unique USP for my research really, in that it's completely new for Fairways and it should be really interesting. Sometimes the residents will recall certain things when the dogs are around if they've had pets in the past. It can really boost their mood and things like that. It can sometimes help their memory and they'll just be very smiley on that occasion. It's just, it very much boosts their mood, the dogs being around. It can sometimes put them more at ease, relax them. It's just nice to sometimes just pet them and have a friendly face there.
You love dogs. I love dogs.
It's also the fact that there's no pressure from the dogs for them to have to remember things. Someone I can just talk to and doesn't need a response back. So that can sometimes be comforting for them as well.
Away. Cymbau over there.
Be arall?
Cymbau.
Cymbau?
Yeah. Wait.
Be wedyn?
Stand after little summer.
Yeah.
It does seem to be quite an uplifting experience when some people who might be keeping themselves to themselves might become a little bit more animated and conversational when I go in work with Derival. And I'm not saying they're going to be talking to me, but they're more likely going to be talking to him. He is the star of the show. And I've learned so much more from coming to this establishment here about how it can be a much more dynamic experience than perhaps my previous misconceptions were of dementia. So I've learned a great deal. And as a partnership, I like to see that our working partnership, Canine Human Partnership, is continuing to offer enjoyment to other people here who we visit.
Mae'n ddel yndi?
Lydia.